Java input and output. Java brings various streams with its input and output package that helps the user to perform all the input and output operations. These streams support all the types of objects, data types, characters, files, and etc. things to fully execute the input and output operations. So there is a demonstration of how these processes work. So we have kinda source and it reading and input stream it to Java application and write and output stream destination. That means that we have something and we inputted something and see something. So before exploring various input and output stream, let's look at three standard or default streams that Java has to provide, which are also most common in use. So first is system in, keyword, program, screen to screen, system out or system error. That means that we, by using system in and also by using keyword, inputting some values in our programs to our programs, and to see it, we should use system out or system error. In first case, we just this first system out will work in correct way. If everything is working correctly, we use something. We use, for example, system out. If there is some troubles or errors or mistakes, we should use system error. For example, in case, for example, like when you use if and else statement, for example, if something is work, a system out to show, for example, some values. If, for example, some examples, for example, the program asks you to enter 5, and in if statement, if, for example, our inputted value equal to 5, system out println correct. If our inputted value is not equal to 5, there will be error, because system want to us input 5. So basically there is descriptions of for system in and system out. System in is a standard input stream that is used to read character from keyboard or any other standard input device. So system out is a standard output stream that's used to produce a result of a program on an output device like a computer screen. Yes. So also parameter print. No, this is a method. Yes, this method is Java used to display a text on a console. Yes. So let me just, there is some examples of, there is, for example, demonstrating to how print is working. So as you can see, we printed GFG 3 times, and as you can see, we here by using method system out can see GFG 3 times. 3 times. Yes. So next, println. For println, this method in Java is also used to display a text in console. It prints the text on the console and the cursor moves to the start of the next line at the console. The next printing takes place from the next line. So let me just. So main difference is that because of we entered here ln, our printed values will be in different line. This is right here using println are all printed in the different line. Yes. So the next type of print is printf. This is the easiest of all methods, as this is similar to printf in C. Note the system out print and system out println take a single argument, but printf may take multiple arguments. This is an example. I will copy it and paste in my text editor and run it. So as you can see, as you can see, and by using printf, we can see x, p, n, and also n. So this will print it up to 2 decimal places, and this will automatically append 0 to the rightmost part of decimal, and here number is formatted from right margin and occupies a width of 20 characters. Okay. So system error. This is a standard error stream that is used to output all the error data that a program might through on a computer screen or any standard output device. This stream also uses all three above mentioned functions to output the error data. So first is print, println, and printf. So types of stream: input and output. Depending on the type of operation, streams can be divided into two primary classes. First is input stream. This stream are used to read data that must be taken as an input from a source array, a file, or any peripheral device. For example, I don't know, keyboard, for example, file input stream, buffered input stream. That means that there can be various input stream classes. There we have 8 input stream classes. So what about output stream? These streams are used to write data as outputs into an array or file or any output peripheral devices. For example, file output stream, buffered output stream, byte array output stream. There is also, we can show various output stream classes. There are also 8 examples. Depending on the types of file, streams can be divided into 2 primary classes, which can be further divided into other classes that, as can be seen through the diagram below, followed with explanation. So as you can see, byte stream and character stream. Byte stream is used to process data byte by byte. And character in Java character stream used to store using encode conventions. So for the byte stream, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 stream classes. And for stream class for character stream, we have also, we have 8 classes. So that's all, and also the main, and also we should consider the ways how to read input from the console in Java. First way is using buffered reader class. Simply we can, for this, we just simply import buffered reader to read input stream. Yes. Let me just check it, how it works. Second way is using scanner class. This is the most important, more important than buffer reader, because this is probably the most preferred method to take input. The main purpose of the scanner class is to parse primitive types and string using regular expressions. However, it also can be used to read input from the other user in the command line. So let me just copy it and pass here. Wait, what? I see. So string tc integer 12 and float As you can see, this code works by using scanner method to show what we entered. So this is the end of our lesson intended to Java input and output classes. So see you in next lesson.